Hello and welcome back class 8 students to this being online computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 3rd of your book, which is more about Photoshop. Learning outcomes. After you have studied this lesson, you will be able to use different filters in Photoshop, preview columns and use other filters. Recalling Photoshop. As you know, Photoshop is an image editing software developed by Adobe Corp. It is the most popular software package for creating and modifying images for various purposes, including designing of web pages, advertisements, book production, and so on. Filters in Photoshop. Using filters is one of the easiest yet most powerful functions of this versatile and dynamic application. Filters allow users to manipulate images with the click of a mouse. Filters are used to change the appearance of an image. In Photoshop, there are 11 categories of filters and a total of 47 filter options. Artistic. Using one of these filters will make your image look like it was created by an artist. Blur. Blur files are used to soften either an area of a photograph that you have selected or an entire image. Brush. It is similar to artistic filters but more using of brush, strokes and ink effects generate traditional fine art types of output. Distort. Using one of these sets of filters lets you distort your image in creative ways. Noise. The noise filter add or remove noise or pixels with randomly distributed color levels. Pixelate. Pixelate filters combine pixels of similar colors into cells, creating an impression of a magnified pixel of image, as if you are looking at an image through a powerful magnifying glass. Render. Render filters create effects is concerning lightning. They coat the picture with a cloudy pattern, imitate refraction and reflection of light on an object, etc. Sharpen. These filters are used to enhance the edge of objects and adjust the contrast and shade characteristics. Sketch. The sketch group of filters makes your image appear to be created by an artist. It includes chalk, charcoal, graphics pen, plaster, stamp, and water paper. Stylize. It allows users to stylize their image by embossing, diffusing, extruding, solarizing, finding the edges, and a few other distinct options. Texture. It allows you to manipulate your image by adding textures to it, including grain, stained glass, and patchwork. Using filters. You can access Filters Gallery by using Menu Filter, Filter Gallery or use Menu Filter and access in one of the filters from the submenu that appears. To use the filters from the gallery, the steps are: Step 1. Click the filter and choose Filter Gallery. Here you can see the interface for the Step 1. Step 2. The Filter Gallery window appears as shown. Here you can choose the options and view the effects. The Filter Gallery window consists of 3 columns: Preview, Filter Thumbnail, and Filter Setting column. Preview. It shows real-time preview of filter that you select. When you change the filter's setting or apply the new filter layer, the preview will change. You can also zoom in or out to see the detail of the effect. Filter Thumbnails column. You can select the filter to apply your image from this column by clicking at its thumbnail. Filters are organized in foldable menu by group that is listed above. Click folder icon to hide or unhide the filter group. The darker thumbnail is the filter that you currently apply. Filter Setting column. It shows the setting of filter that you currently select. You can create new filter and stack it on top. Reorder filter to apply or temporary hide filter that you already select. Some of the changes that can be done using filter are these showing in the pictures. Using other filters. Not all filters in Photoshop are available through the Filter Gallery. Many of them must be accessed directly through the filter menu. They have unique interfaces and options of their own. The steps to use these filters are: Step 1. Click on Filter menu and choose the filter you want to apply. Step 2. Make the desired changes in the dialog box shown and click OK. Did you know the file format .psd is capable of supporting all the features provided in the Photoshop? Brain teaser. How do filters helps to make the photograph look attractive? Quick recap. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful graphics tool that allows users to create unique images with ease. Filters allow users to manipulate images with the click of a mouse. Filters are used to change the appearance of an image. In Photoshop, there are 11 categories of filters and a total of 47 filter options. Moral learned. Retouched images can lead to decreased self-esteem, anxiety, and in some cases depression. In turn, these feelings can cause people to engage in behaviors they hope will help them attain the ultra-thin, blemish-free bodies they see in magazines and on social media. These behaviors include increased exercise, dietary changes, and cosmetic change through makeup or other processes. So we should always believe in ourselves and never try to destroy our body by seeing these photoshopped images. Thank you, class. Let's meet again in the next chapter.